Hey, so hello. Now we are going to see how to use an Arduino Uno and how a blinking LED is going to change over time with a potentiometer and with some manipulation here in Tinkercad. Okay, so here we have the code where we use an integer of a variable sensor pin and also an integer for the variable left pin equal to 13. It means when the position 13 is on, the left pin will know like a 1 or a state of on. And well, uh, here we have the code where it will vary when the potentiometer. So let's see how it works. Look at this point, the, the LED is blinking, and check out how it is the potentiometer. In this case, if we move this one, look, the rate of blinking decrease. So if we go to the other side, the LED just stay on, and look, it has a faster blinking. So that's it. Thanks so much.